Most people lose their day in the first 10 minutes. Not at work, not at school. At the moment they wake up. You don't start your morning, your phone does. Messages, feeds, notifications. Before your feet hit the floor, your mind is already owned. Strong mornings are not built on motivation. They are built on sequence. Same wake time. Water first. Light exposure. Movement. Silence. Plan. Execute. Win the first 30 minutes and the day stops fighting you. You say you want a better life, but your alarm rings and you negotiate with comfort. 5 more minutes. 10 more minutes. That's not rest. That's surrender training. Winners don't win at noon. They win at wake up. Stand up immediately. Cold water on face. Make the bed. Move the body. No debate. No emotion. Only action. Because the first decision of the day teaches your brain who is in charge. Your brain has a startup window. Miss it and your focus crashes all day. The first hour sets your dopamine tone. If you flood it with scrolling, everything else feels boring. So flip it. No phone for 60 minutes. Sunlight in the eyes. Protein and water. Hard task first. Reward later. This is not discipline theater. This is neurochemistry. Protect the first hour. Protect your mind. Your mornings reveal your identity, not your goals, your identity. If you wake up late, rushed, reactive, you live reactive. If you wake up early, intentional, calm, you live intentional. Morning habits are identity votes. Every day you wake with structure. You cast a vote for your future self. Journal 1 line. Move 5 minutes. Plan 3 priorities. That's how identities are built. Small, daily, certain. I changed my mornings for 7 days. No snooze, no phone, no excuses. Day 1 felt painful. Day 3 felt strange. Day 5 felt powerful. Energy up, focus sharp, mood stable. Because routine removes resistance. Try this 7-day stack. Wake same time. Water, sunlight, movement, plan, deep work. 7 days can rewrite your rhythm. If you're ready to take control of your mornings, start tomorrow, no excuses. Subscribe for more discipline systems and focus training, and commit to your reset now.